Alrighty everybody, it's Michael Walter here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com covering some more Q&A all about the carpet and flooring industry. And Nick T, who I believe works for a flooring store, I could be wrong on that, but I guess clients are asking him a lot, should I remove baseboards before my flooring installation? Super basic question, but there's so many variables that go into this and so many different perspectives of it. So let's get the easy answer out of the way. If you're getting carpet installed, there's no need to remove your baseboards. We've cleared that. Super easy. Leave your baseboards on, you can tuck to it, or if they're raised already, you'll get a nice tuck under it. You don't need to remove baseboards for a carpet installation. Now let's move on to the hard surface, which leaves this question wide open for a million different answers. So, for you DIY types that are doing your own flooring installations, I think you should go ahead and remove your baseboards, or at minimum, just remove the quarter round and reinstall new quarter round after your new flooring installation. Now that part of it's pretty easy as well. It's gonna give it a nice cleaner finish, everything's better. So that's the route I go for a DIY type. Now, stores, this is where all the questions come in the action here. So, because anybody that's worked for a store before, the client likes to save money, absolutely nothing wrong with that, but in most cases, the client doesn't have the skill set to do the job properly, even something as simple as removing baseboards. Because the client can remove the baseboards and damage the baseboards and want the installer to put them back up, but they won't go back up properly because they've cracked, they break, they look like crap, and you need to reinstall all new. Then we have this factor. Who's responsible for that? Obviously, it would be the customer, but there could be an argument on the table. The next problem could be the customer removes the baseboards and there's nails all along the wall. Then the installer has to actually take time to pull all these nails out, which, in this recording doesn't sound like a big deal, but this could add up to 30 minutes of an installer's time, causing aggravation and them losing money. So that's another bad scenario. What my personal suggestion is, if I was a salesman working for a store, I would say that the installer would be responsible for either removing the baseboards or supplying and reinstalling new quarter round, and build all that into the price for the installer. So that way the installer knows what they're walking into, they know the extra labor they have to deal with, and they're already being compensated for it, versus the homeowner trying to step in and handle this action and just creating a problem and a headache that an installer has to clean up, and they're not necessarily getting compensated for it. Now, like I said, this is a weird, easy question that should be super simple to answer, but with so many little variables that could twist and turn this, I want you to comment below. I know every installer that's actually checked out this channel would have a different opinion on it, and I honestly would love to know your 2 cents on it. I gave you mine, but let's see what you have to say. Thank you so much for tuning in. I look forward to the comments, and I'll see you on the next video.